Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech M220. In this video I'll show you how to set up smart actions. To set up smart actions on your mouse, let's go to Logitech Option Plus and go to Buttons. Enter middle button and select Smart Actions. Create Smart Action. And now, select function. If middle button is pressed, add trigger between application, device, action ring, system shortcut, then add action, for example, AI prompt builder, application, keystroke, text, system. Then you can add label. And you can try your action. Then tap save. Name your action, give it description, and it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.